Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! At sa mga bago pa lang po, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para magiging updated po sa mga bagong videos. And today's recipe is pineapple upside down cake with yogurt. Ito po yung mga ingredients. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup powdered milk, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup brown sugar, maraschino cherries, 1 can sliced pineapple, 3/4 cup pineapple juice, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. First, you have to set the oven, bake, and heat 350 Celsius Fahrenheit. Hatiin lang natin ito, pineapple natin. Okay, and magtiran tayo ng isang buo. And then, we're going to pour the butter. Scatter na natin itong brown sugar. Lalagyan lang natin ng cherries. Itatabi lang po natin to. We're going to put this aside. We're just gonna combine all powdered ingredients. So this is the flour, the milk, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Okay, and we're going to put this aside. We're going to whisk all the liquid ingredients, which is the pineapple juice, oil, the eggs, vanilla, and lastly, the yogurt. So this is low-fat plain yogurt. To combine these two together. And we're going to pour this on the top of the prepared pineapple and cherries mixtures. Publican natin yan after 40 to 45 minutes. We're going to check it. And I think it's done. Ayan po, luto na yung cake natin. Alright guys, here's our pineapple upside down cake with yogurt. Ayan. And it's
Tikiman time.
Tikiman time. His favorite
It's
time.
my favorite time.
You taste it. And this is made from scratch. Kasi dito mabibili kami dito na nasa box na yung ready mix. Ready mix na for cakes.
Sarap. It's moist, very moist. But it's fluffy also.
Yeah. And which one do you like the most?
This one. This is better. And then much better than the box.
Yes. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our recipe for today. Here you go.
It's delicious.
Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.
I'm gonna have more after I eat though. Bye.